Okay, question 10. Enlarge triangle T by a scale factor of 1/2 with a centre at 2, 0. So, enlargements, the scale factor is 1/2 and the centre is at 2, 0. So along the corridor, up the stairs, 2, 0 is there. And sorry about this, this is not going to be the neatest version of this because I haven't really worked out the tools on this, on how to do drawings on here very well. So let's talk about enlargements. Now when you think of enlargements, you think of things getting bigger, but the scale factor is less than 1, so it's actually going to halve the sides of this shape. So you can see like this side here is 2, so on the new shape that will be 1, that will be half. This is 4, so that will be half down to 2. And because we've got the centre of enlargement, we know that each of these points are going to be half the distance away from the centre as they are now. So you can see this line here that I'm drawing here, you kind of go through diagonally, you go through 4 squares diagonally. So what's half of that? Well, you're only going to go through 2 squares. So that's now this point, it's come to here. This one, you can kind of go through sets of 2 squares here on like a weird diagonal. If you imagine you've got blocks of 2, diagonal to diagonal, like a rectangle. There's 1, there's 2, so that's very nice. It's worked out well for us. You can be doing this with a ruler in the real thing, or you can count squares. The last point, you don't really need to work out the last point, but you can always get your ruler, measure it, and then half the measurement. But we can just do this now because we know that this side here we've already marked out was 2 squares, and now it's 1 square. So the corner's marked in. And then we can do the vertical line. That bit here matches this line here, which is 4 on the original. So it'll only be 2 on here, 1 and 2. So that's nice and easy. And then with a ruler, just connect it up. Okay, mine's not perfect, but I apologise, I haven't got a ruler. Hope that helps.